Delhi to Meerut transport system is being reimagined with the Delhi Ghaziabad Meerut Regional Rapid Transit System. This is the Sarai Kale Khan station that we are present at of the RRTS right now, and this train is the first inaugural train that is all set to leave for its journey all the way to Meerut right here from Delhi. This RRTS is of course first in terms of the innovation of such a rapid rail that has come about in our country, and we also understand that the Sarai Kale Khan station is the largest on the 82-kilometer roadway, the entire map journey of Delhi to Meerut. Now of course this particular train is one of a kind, considering of the interiors and the technology also that is being utilized with respect to this. This is not your regular metro that we're talking about. This is a rapid rail that we're talking about right here at the Sarai Kale Khan station. That's a basic backgrounder map chart of the layout of the train that we'll be traveling in, and this has been developed as a key multimodal transport hub that will integrate rapid rail with existing railway and metro network stations as well. So this doesn't just come in as easing up of transport, but it also comes up as joining or connecting the dots. So this does increase your last mile connectivity in terms of travel and transport being made easier. And of course we'll shortly get inside this rapid rail to give you more on the coaches here. The coaches that we're showing you currently are the women only coaches. These are the first few coaches of the rapid rail, and we also understand that the station will be the terminating point, that is the Sarai Kale Khan station will be the terminating point for this train from Delhi point of view, and thereafter it will have a Ghaziabad stop as well. Remember, this station is also very close to the Hazrat Nizamuddin railway station. So definitely an all-round cover-up in terms of connectivity that this rapid rail is now going to bring in to not just Delhi people but also connect the circuit all the way to Meerut.